What's up, y'all? eFishalots here with another video. This is another video like my last one with a few short clips and releases. This is the time period when my GoPro went down, and this is also a night video. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, comment. Always leave a comment. I always reply. Hope you guys enjoy this, and get out there and fish, y'all. So for another nice one. Bucket. Nice one. Another nice one. Nothing big. See what I got around the roof of the mouth. Alright, big girl. Here we go. Another nice one tonight, guys. Nice, beautiful girl. A good solid 3 pounds at least. Alright, big girl. Big old heron. And another one, guys. They're loving the worm tonight. Just a little dirty. Sorry, buddy. Alright. These little guys all night having a blast. A freaking awesome night out here again on the canal. Oops, just tripped over my. Gonna release this good healthy 2-pounder here. Alright, we got me another good decent 2-pounder at least. Nice and healthy. They're killing the Kitech tonight. Go, buddy girl.